Hello friends, welcome back on Python for Kids. Here I'm gonna talk about what happens when you use string and try to use the sign addition, that is plus. So let's go into the Python window, that's Python 3 in my Linux kernel, and then if I use two variables, let's say a, and if I say hello, comma, space, and then if I use another variable, say b, and say everyone. Now if I just print a and print b, you can say that they are individually printed. Now I want to print them together because I want to say hello everyone. So if I want to do that, what I can do, a plus b, and just like you have seen in integer, it adds two numbers, and in string it will concatenate two numbers, which means that it will print next to each other. However, I can use another variable called c to store the a plus b and then print c. So if you have a longer string, you can split them into smaller strings and then store individual variable and then print them together by adding plus sign, so it will print all of them together. So that way you can use the plus sign for adding two string values.